Pouring down, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, pouring down. It's a common expression in English, often used to describe a specific weather condition. Let's dive into what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video is for you. Pouring down is a phrase that vividly describes heavy rain. It's used to convey the intensity and volume of the rain. When it's pouring down, the rain is falling rapidly and in large quantities, often leading to puddles and soaked surfaces. This phrase helps create a vivid image of the weather condition. To help you understand how to use pouring down, let's look at some examples. 1. I forgot my umbrella, and now it's pouring down outside. 2. The forecast says it's going to start pouring down by noon. 3. We had to cancel our picnic because it was pouring down all day. In these sentences, pouring down is used to describe a situation where the rain is a significant factor impacting plans, activities, or experiences. Pouring down often appears with words like rain, outside, and heavily. These collocations help to reinforce the intensity of the rain. For example, it's pouring down rain outside. The rain started pouring down heavily. Sometimes, pouring down can be used metaphorically to describe things other than rain, like a heavy flow of emotions or information. For example, questions were pouring down on her during the interview. That's all for our exploration of pouring down. Remember, it's a descriptive way to talk about heavy rain, and it can be used both literally and metaphorically. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.